It's the radio waves that are coming from from inside our galaxy, but pretty far away, that we're actually picking up. So this is from CNN, which who knows, but it says far outside our Milky Way galaxy, something is causing repeating short bursts of radio waves to be released into space. Scientists recorded the second repeating first radio burst to be discovered, according to a study published Wednesday in the journal Nature. The finding was also presented at the 233rd meeting of the American Astronomical Society in Seattle. These radio bursts are only millisecond-long radio flashes, and such rapid bursts themselves aren't rare in space. But this is only the second one that has been found to repeat. The mystery about why these bursts happen and where they came from continues, which always spurs believers to think that advanced extraterrestrial civilizations are creating them. The first one, deemed FRB 121102, was discovered in 2015 by the Arecibo Radio Telescope, and it was revealed in 2018 that the burst released an enormous amount of energy. The new repeating fast radio burst is called FRB 180814.J0422 plus 73. Why are they doing that? And was recorded 6 times coming from the same location, 1.5 billion light years away. This is one of the very first detections made by the new Canadian Hydrogen Intensity Mapping Experiment, or CHIME. The radio telescope was also still in its pre-commissioning phase and operating with only a small amount of its full capacity in the summer of 2018, when it detected this and 12 singular fast radio bursts. And although this new detection doesn't solve the biggest mystery surrounding the radio burst, the researchers who recorded it believe that other repeating fast radio bursts will be found, which could allow them to figure out where they originate. Knowing that there is another suggests that there could be more out there. And Ingrid Stairs, a member of the CHIME team and astrophysicist at the University of British Columbia, and with more repeaters and more sources available for study, we may be able to understand these cosmic puzzles, where they're from and what causes them. One hypothesis is the powerful astrophysical phenomenon are causing them. The first repeating fast radio burst was recorded at a frequency of 700 megahertz, but some of the bursts CHIME recorded were as low as 400 megahertz. I don't know what that really means. But,
science.
Yeah. We now know the sources can produce low-frequency radio waves, and those low-frequency waves can escape their environment and are not too scattered to be detected by the time they reach the Earth. Tom Lanchurk, a CHIME team member.
Tom Landry Middle School.
Right? A CHIME team member from the National Research Council of Canada said in a statement, "That tells us something about the environments and the sources. We haven't solved the problem, but it's several more pieces in the puzzle. The low frequency of this new detection could mean that the source of burst defer scattering was detected in the fast radio bursts, which is a phenomenon that helps determine more about the environment surrounding the origin. The CHIME team believes that this scattering is indicative of powerful astrophysical objects at the source of the bursts. That could mean the source is in some sort of dense clump like a supernova remnant." Team member Cherry Cherry In, an astronomer at the University of Toronto, said in a statement, "We're near the central black hole in a galaxy, but it has to be in some special place to give all the scattering that we see. And if CHIME was able to make these detections before it was even fully up and running, the researchers are hopeful that the new radio telescope will help them find answers about these mysterious signals."
Ooh.
I say aliens.
Yeah, me too. always saying
it's always aliens.
Salty said, I thought I saw something standing in the middle of my room where my router is. Now my Wi-Fi keeps cutting off and on real fast every few minutes. Dude, you're the signal.
Damn.
You're receiving the alien signal. It's fucking aliens, man.
They're here for us.
Fill me water.